Hey, my lovely. I haven't sent you a personal video in such a long time that I decided I need to record a video, tell you what's been going on and what's been happening. So I am back in Latvia right now. I've been here for a couple of weeks. I know I've been keeping you up to date on what's been happening, but I'm spending time here with my family, trying to enjoy the weather. It's been actually pretty cold, especially after Mexico. Like, I'm not used to this weather, and I've just been working a lot. A lot of new things are happening in the business. And of course, one of the biggest things is my brand new cheesecake course. So I wanted to invite you, of course, to my free webinar that I'm hosting on the 20th of September, 20th of August, not September, August. And it's going to be evening time for Europe and morning lunchtime for US, but I will leave all the details in the email. The webinar is completely free, it's complimentary, and I'm going to teach you how to make the stunning tiramisu cheesecake. So it's going to have like this vanilla cookie base, homemade vanilla cookie base. We're making everything from scratch. It's going to have this delicious coffee cheesecake layer, and it's going to have a white chocolate layer. So all of that is just such nice smooth creaminess inside. Honestly, it's unbelievable. And then we're going to make coffee ganache on top and vanilla like coffee latte type of frosting on top of it as well. So honestly, it's a cake for cheesecake lovers, and it's a cake for those who love coffee flavored desserts, but it's not too strong of a coffee. So even if you're not a big fan of coffee, you will still love this dessert. Trust me, my brothers and sisters who are little, like 10 and 12, are having the desserts. They can't even tell the coffee's there. It just tastes so creamy. It's like a latte mocha, like it's amazing. And the webinar, I'm doing it here. I didn't think I could do it because I couldn't find the kitchen, but now finally I found a kitchen. I rented it out. Now I'm finding the staff, the camera person, the helper during the webinar. Now we're organizing all the marketing and emails. So there's a lot of work for this webinar, and I'm really excited. And of course, I'll be telling you about my brand new cheesecake course during the webinar. So we're gonna make the cake, I'll tell you about my new course, and then we're gonna finish the cake, and it's gonna be so exciting. I haven't spent so much time with you in a live webinar in a very long time. It's been probably now a year since I did a free webinar, and mainly because it obviously takes a lot of resources, time, and people to organize it all and set it all up together, and it's a lot of work. So I'm really excited though. I'm a bit nervous as I haven't done one in such a long time, but I would love to see you. I'd love for you to come. And just to kind of let you know what else is happening is that the cheesecake course starts on the 17th of September for 12 weeks. And then our baking and pastry starts in the 1st of October. Now we're running 2 courses in the autumn because autumn is that time of the year when it's, a bit gloomy, it's rainy, it's cold. And I find a lot of my students love baking during this time. So we have 2 courses they're going to be running in autumn, and they only run once a year as well. So if you wanted to come to either, I welcome you. I would love to have you on this journey. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I hopefully will see you on Saturday, 20th of August for my free webinar. I hope you all guys well. Lots of love.